Just on the corner of Legion Street and Pacific Coast Highway is the Laguna Village. This artist village is lined with local artisans selling their beach-themed items in little alleys and kiosks. You can stroll through the aisles, admiring the art, as well as a 180-degree ocean view. A great place to grab lunch in the village is the Cliff. This tasty spot offers a great view from every table. They have a juicy shrimp cocktail, thick burgers grilled to perfection with a toasted brioche bun, and the English-style fish and chips is delicious. And if you're a fan, the oysters are flown in daily. Every table at the Cliff has a spectacular ocean view.